Welcome to Quiz for All channel. Today's topic, general knowledge. 50 questions are waiting for you. Some of them are easy, while others are very difficult. Will you answer them all? Let's find out. What bird is an international symbol of peace? The dove represents peace. Which animal has a black tongue? The animal with a black tongue is the giraffe. What does the term pH stand for in chemistry? In chemistry, pH stands for potential of hydrogen. True or false? Ice melting into water is a chemical reaction. False. Ice melting is not a chemical reaction because the water does not change into a different chemical substance. Both ice and water are forms of the same chemical compound. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by when it was discovered. False. An element's position in the periodic table is determined by the arrangement of the electrons in its atoms. Who was the first woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize? Bertha von Suttner. In which European city would you find the Acropolis? The Acropolis is in Athens. The cities of Benghazi and Tripoli are in which country? Benghazi and Tripoli are located in Libya. The official language of Egypt is Arabic. Which of the images shows a wisent? The wisent, also known as the European bison, is shown in image number 2. Which of these is a method of preserving milk? The method of preserving milk is called pasteurization. What are bones primarily made of? Bones are mainly made of calcium. Where are red blood cells formed? The bone marrow produces red blood cells. Which is the largest gland in the human body? The liver is the largest gland. Salvador Dali, Max Ernst and Paul Klee are classified in what school of painting? They are classified as surrealist painters. Which of these scientists is known for developing the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin developed the theory of evolution. What is a siskin? A siskin is a bird. True or false, fireworks have different colors because they use different dyes. False. Each color in fireworks is produced by different minerals. Bright greens are from barium, blues come from copper, and yellows are from sodium. More colors are made by mixing these minerals. Parsley contains more vitamin C than a lemon. True. 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley provides half of the daily requirement of vitamin C in the body. Gold is the most malleable and ductile metal. True. Gold is so malleable that 1 ounce of it can be flattened into a sheet covering 300 square feet. Which 2 metals make up bronze? Bronze is made of copper and tin. Which of these is a gas? Krypton is a gas. What is the name for the point in the lunar orbit when the moon is nearest to the Earth? The point is called perigee. In which of these games would you hear talk of a gambit? Chess. What is an ace in tennis? A serve that the opponent cannot return. You've made it to the halfway point. If you're liking the quiz, give that like button a click. Thanks. Which of these is the highest poker hand? The highest poker hand is a royal flush. Which of the following landmarks is not located in Africa? Monument Valley, shown in picture number 2. Which is older, the Great Wall of China or Machu Picchu? The Great Wall of China is generally considered older than Machu Picchu, as its construction began around the 7th century BC, while Machu Picchu was built in the 15th century AD. Which is heavier, an average grizzly bear or an average polar bear? An average polar bear is heavier than an average grizzly bear. A person who converses using very few words can be called laconic. Answer B. Which of the following is the antonym of mendacious? The antonym of mendacious is honest. Who, in Greek legend, stole fire from the sun to give life to man? Prometheus. True or false, it is possible to take too many vitamins. True. Dietary vitamin supplements need to be taken in moderation. Too much vitamin E, for instance, can interfere with blood clotting, and too much vitamin C can cause stomach upset. Ketchup can dissolve aluminum. True. Aluminum is a thin, unstable metal. Ketchup is made of tomatoes and other acidic ingredients that can easily eat through aluminum, particularly if the food is not refrigerated. Macadamia is a type of what? Macadamia is a type of nut. What is mildew? Mildew is part of some types of fungi. In which ocean would you find the Bermuda Triangle? In the Atlantic Ocean. Most of Paraguay is what land type? Most of Paraguay is plain and savanna. Which of these statues depicts Nicolaus Copernicus, the famous astronomer? Nicolaus Copernicus is on photograph number 3. Who was the Roman god of the underworld? Pluto was the Roman god of the underworld. There are the last 10 questions ahead of you. I hope you like the quiz. Good luck. What is the medical term for stuttering or stammering? The medical term for stuttering is dysphemia. Asperger's syndrome is believed to be a form of what? Asperger's syndrome is a form of autism. Do diamonds last forever? No. Under normal pressure, diamonds will degrade slowly. Usually that process would require a little heat and could actually take millions of years, if not billions of years. Diamonds, though, would slowly degrade back to graphite. True or false? All radioactive material is man-made. False. The sun and stars emit cosmic radiation that interacts with the Earth's atmosphere. There's also naturally radioactive material in soil, water, and vegetation. What is the fear of guns called? The fear of guns is called hoplophobia. What are you doing if you pandiculate? When you pandiculate, you are stretching and yawning. Which of these animals is not an insect? A spider is an arachnid, not an insect. What activity does a spelunker engage in? A spelunker engages in cave exploring. Which of these wine regions is in Italy? Piedmont is a wine region in Italy. Rheumatism affects what part of the body? Rheumatism primarily affects the joints. Enjoyed the quiz? Check out more of my quizzes.